Leisure great place, nice and clean, great customer service. Loved staying here, had a great stay. Exceptional, GTFDF. Great, nice place to be. Stayed for Christmas, it was very nice and relaxing. The refrigerator was full-sized. Large pool. It had a picnic table and grill. Recommend. Budget, run close to the airport. It was cool, my room was clean, bed was comfortable. Airworks had an issue with the sink, but I was not living there, so I just made a complaint and kept it moving. It has a kitchen, the bathroom need to be remodeled. Staff made it like she was putting me in the best room as if it was newly renovated. Smiley face. I was there for one night. It's close to the airport and food places. The mall is not far. It has a pool, seem like people use it. Overall I give it a 7.